Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
We've been writing about animals. Now let's learn to write about a bird. Now today we're going to write about a national bird. Which is the national bird? The peacock. Now what do you call the female? You say peahen. Why do you like this bird? It's the most beautiful bird. Large and is beautiful. The special part of this bird is the large feathers, which when opens look like a fan. Then another beautiful part of the peacock is got lovely little crown on its head. And then they say it dances. The dance is really gorgeous to look at. So we're going to write a short composition on the peacock. The peacock. We're going to write about the peacock. Now, when you say peacock, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? The peacock is India's national bird. The peacock. The peacock is India's national bird. It's a national bird. Okay, what else you will say about him? It is very colorful and it's found in many parts of our country. It's a colorful bird. It is a colorful and beautiful. It is a colorful and beautiful bird. A very special bird. The next, what will you say? It is found in many parts of our country. It is found in many parts of our country. What else we'll say about this? Then describe the peacock. The peacock has a long, shiny, dark blue neck. You can say a peacock has a long, shiny, his body shines. Long, shiny, dark blue neck. It's got a dark, long, shiny, dark blue neck. Most beautiful neck. And a crown on its head. That's the beauty of it. And a crown. And a crown like a queen. And a crown on its head. So we are describing now the peacock. A peacock has a long, shiny, dark blue neck and a crown on its head. Okay, what else you will say? It has graceful, beautiful, multicolored feathers. Yes, you find greenish, bluish, green, all kinds. Beautiful it looks. So you will say it has. Say it has beautiful, graceful. Only for a peacock you can use the word graceful, and multicolored. Many colors are there. All, all shades of blues and greens. So you will say, and multicolored feathers. Multicolored feathers. All right, next. So what have we done? The peacock. The peacock is India's national bird. It is a colorful and beautiful bird. It is found in many parts of our country. A peacock has a long, shiny, dark blue neck and a crown on its head. It has beautiful, graceful, and multicolored feathers. Then what else can you say about it? You say the peacock dances. Huh? He dances. A peacock dances. A peacock dances as it spreads. As it spreads its wings like a fan. A peacock dances as it spreads its wings out like a fan. Like a fan. All right. A dancing peacock presents a very beautiful, graceful sight. A dancing peacock. A dancing peacock is a beautiful sight. Okay, now what about the peacock flying? It can only fly a short distance. Okay, a peacock can only fly a short distance. Can fly for a short distance. Can fly for a short distance. Then, what else? Many people use the peacock feathers for many decorative purposes. So, the feathers are used for decorative purposes. Then, what else can we say? They say the peacock is a good friend of a farmer because he eats up all the insects that destroy the crop. So, the peacock is is the peacock is a farmer's good friend. A farmer's good friend. It eats up all the harmful insects. Harmful. Then we can also say most of us may not have seen a peacock. Nowadays, peacocks are found in the zoos. And they say there are white peacocks also. That's very rare. We are talking about a colorful one, but they have seen a white peacock also. Now, when we talk about peacock, you have also the female form peahen. So what are we talking about? Having written about animals, we are writing about bird. The peacock. The peacock is India's national bird. It is a colorful and beautiful bird. It is found in many parts of our country. A peacock has a long, shiny, dark blue neck and a crown on its head. It has beautiful, graceful, and multicolored feathers. A peacock dances as it spreads its wings out like a fan. A dancing peacock is a beautiful sight. A peacock can fly for a short distance. The feathers are used for decorative purposes. The peacock is a farmer's good friend. It eats up all the harmful insects. You can also say there are white peacocks also. The female, you call it peahen.